Let's divide 240 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning long division, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Ready to divide 240 by 2? Let's start with the first digit. We're using the first digit, which is 2. It's like we're dividing two ones. How many times does 2 go into 2? It goes in 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. No remainder here. Awesome, we handled the first digit like a champ. Let's move on to the next digit. Get ready. Next up, we bring down the next digit, which is 4. Now we have 4. We're focusing on the 4. This is our new partial number. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtracting 4 from 4 gives us 0. We're on a roll. Fantastic, you're doing so well with these steps. One more digit to go. Let's keep this energy up. Last one, we bring down the final digit, which is 0. Our number is 0. We're looking at the 0. This is our last partial number. How many times does 2 go into 0? It goes in 0 times. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0. Subtracting 0 from 0 leaves us with 0. We did it. Woohoo, you've conquered all the steps. We've divided 240 by 2. Let's see our final answer. We found out that 240 divided by 2 is 120. Great job, everyone. We broke down 240 into smaller parts and used the steps of long division to find our answer. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're all doing amazing. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.